Final? Okay, let's go. What's up guys, thank you once again for tuning in to Smart Kicks, and this channel is all about shoes. My name is Amit Pandey. Unfortunately, last week I injured my arm and I was not able to do a lot of things. That's why Varsha is here to help me in this video. Varsha, you want to say something to the audience?
Yes, so generally I used to be behind the camera, but today because of this I have to help him. So in this video today we are going to demonstrate how to set this stylish looking lace pattern on your Yeezys 350.
So are you guys ready? Let's go. So we're going to first take the two ends of the laces and pass them through the inner holes of the last rivets from the inside. So make sure guys you don't do it from the outside, it is being done from the inside. So guys, you have to make sure that this lace goes cross and comes out here, and this lace goes cross and comes out here. So guys, you just have to make sure that you pass the laces through this line over and over and over.
So guys, that's how you do this. We hope you love watching this video.
And just in case if you want to watch more videos related to sneaker lace styling, we have done a video on diamond pattern lace styling on Vans sneakers also. And if you like what we are doing together, please subscribe to our channel so that you stay connected with the Smart Kicks community. Don't worry about this injury, we'll be still coming up with some more content related to sneakers and sneaker brands. Till our next video, you guys stay fit and keep watching Smart Kicks.